food. I got you food here.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm cooking rice.
Oh, a lot of toys, Lorraine.
I got you this fish.
What's that?
This is fried fish.
Oh yeah? Okay. Wow, a nice kitchen. Wow. It's like an oven? Stove. What's that, Lorraine?
It's cooked. It's ready.
Wow.
I see food in it.
Wow.
There's chili and
What's that?
a chili and fish. I friend you.
Wow. So fast. It's a pepper. Wow, what's that? What are you eating?
I'm eating fish with rice.
Oh. What else? What you do? Oh, what a nice. What's that?
This is your order food. This one.
Ah,
Why
I
you
want.
want your food?
Okay, I want.
Chicken nuggets, cheese, and
I want soft drinks and cake.
then this.
Yes, and cake.
Then the cake.
Yes.
Okay. Let's get a little cake.
Ding, 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 ding. What's my order?
Wait. Where's my cake?
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam.
Ah, Dia. It's my cake. Oh, what is that?
Ding, 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 ding.
Ada.
Wow, thank you very much, my darling.
He's cute.
Because I got a side dish.
Okay, what you tell to your subscriber? What you tell to your subscriber?
Hello, subscriber. It's me. I'm Ate and I'm Lorraine.
So would you invite them to subscribe?
Hello, guys. Subscribe to me.
Don't forget to
Subscribe. Well,
say bye-bye to your subscriber.